Good evening, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the American Alliance of Health, Physical Education, Recreation and Dance. So in short form we will put as ADARE. So we are going to conduct the youth fitness test. So it contains 6 tests. Now we discuss the first one, that is pull-up test. So pull-up test, it is conducted for the boys. It is from the age to up to from the age of 10 to college boys. We can conduct it. Then the purpose is to measure the arm and shoulder muscular endurance. In order to develop to measure the shoulder arms muscular endurance. The equipments are a horizontal bar. As we see, the horizontal bar is there. The height is about 8 feet height of the horizontal bar, and two vertical bars are here. Then a stopwatch, a score sheet, and a floor mat if it is needed. Now, how do we conduct this one? It is a procedure. So the first one is a bar with adjustable height of the candidate. If there is a one bar, that it can be adjusted according to the height of the subject or the candidate. The second one is the candidate should catch the bar with the upward grip hands. It means the catching should be like this, the holding should be like this, upward grip hands. Now the third one, the body should be pulled upward until the chin rests over the bar. Now if there is the bar is here, the chin should be like this in the holding positions. Then the fourth one is the body lowered until the arms are straight. When you come down, the arms should be straight. It should not be bent, it should be straight. This movement is repeated, and it can be done in 3 steps. Now the repetitions can be done in 3 ways. Now the fouls. எப்படி நம்மள செய்யும்போது நிறைய ஃபவுல்ஸ் வருது, எப்படி நம்ம அதை நோட் பண்ணது? If the candidate lift the knees, now if the knees are bending, it is a foul. Then swing, if the body are swing, it is also a foul. Then the third one is the hands should not be if the hands should not be stretched, it is also a foul. So there are 3 fouls. The scoring system, 1 point for each completed pull-up. Scoring system is one each score. The officials are 1 scorer, 2 assistants for the helpers, and then 1 timer if it is needed. Now let us see the demonstration. And also for the girls, we call it as flexed arms. And there is also a short change in the procedure. That is repetitions. Now the candidates catch the bar with the downward grip. இப்படி தான் பிடிக்கிறது. Girls இப்படி, boysக்கு இப்படி தான் பிடிக்கிறது. Now the body should be pulled upward. While we are holding the bar, the body should be pulled upward, and the student or the candidate or the girl's chin touches the bar and holds the body as long as possible. கீழ வர மாட்டே, இங்க தான் நிக்கிறது. How much long we can hold as this position, that is the duration or calculation of the time. That time is calculated. So that is the way how to conduct to the girls. Now let's go for the demonstration. I will invite our Siva to demonstrate. Now 2 assistants. Okay, right side. Both side. Timing கிடையாது.
ஒரு பாய்ஸ் இப்படி பிடிக்கணும்.
Now he is going to demonstrate. Okay. Now okay. Come down. Yeah. This should be the position. Chin should go up, then hands should be straight when the body comes lower. Legs should be straight. So if the knee bends, it's a foul, and also the body swings, sir, and also not extended hands, sir. These three are fouls. Sir. Nabi concludes. So now we are going to conduct the text. So 5 persons are needed for the text.
ഒരേ ഒരു ഡിവിഷൻ
Okay. Next. Okay. Come, next.
ചേട്ടാ അവളതാ
Foul.
Okay.
So this is the way how to conduct the pull-up steps. Thank you very much.